Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting the low-hanging fruit. Open Settings, go to Privacy and turn off ad services so the system stops tracking for targeted ads. Once done, enable developer options to access more controls. This gives you immediate access to app visibility and background limits. Next, go into Apps, pick built-in MIUI apps that show ads, and revoke unnecessary permissions and notification rights. This prevents push ads. Do these steps, now so later fixes, aren't fighting background delivery. Once basic controls are set, remove the main ad sources. Open each MIUI app like Cleaner, Security and Themes, find recommendations or ads, and toggle them off. This removes in-app promotions at the source. Then, in Apps Manage Apps, locate MSA and similar system packages. Force stop and disable them, waiting 10 seconds between actions so the system settles. Finally, set private DNS to add guard or another filter to block ad domains network-wide. This reduces ads. To finish, install a non-root ad blocker like Blockada or DNS66 and enable the VPN-based filtering to catch ads the system misses. These apps block domains across apps. If persistent ads remain, back up important data and perform a factory reset. Make sure Settings Accounts is signed out first. If things go wrong, clear cache for offending apps, reapply your private DNS, and uninstall recently added applications. This typically reveals the culprit and restores an ad-free experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.